Novel, hey, long time no see. What are you doing here at the pharmacy?
Nijar, wow, it's been a guess. I just saw the doctor. You've had a really bad cough for almost a week.
Oh no, that doesn't sound good. What did the doctor give you?
Just this cough syrup, but honestly, I'm a bit confused about how to take it. Can you help me? Since you're studying pharmacy, no.
Of course, no problem. Let me take a look at the label. Okay, in my opinion, you should take the syrup bare times a day after meals.
After meals, okay. How much should I drink each time?
The dosage is measured using the small cup that comes with the bottle. So it's actually 10 milliliters after time you take it.
Got it. That easy now. Is there anything I need to be careful about?
Yes, actually don't drive or ride motorbike after taking it because the syrup can make you feel drowsy.
Ah, good thing you told me. I was planning to ride home right after this. Thanks a lot, man.
No problem at all, just rest well and finish the whole bottle. Appreciate get well soon.
Thanks, Niger. See you around.